Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for joining this daily huddle show, which is a little bit late, but my name is DaVinci Jeremy. I'm joined with Mr. M.
How you doing? Late huddle show?
Exactly, man. If you don't know, Mr. M has his podcast, Mr. M's podcast for Maurizio Petrozzoli Grazzoli.
Let's go. Woo! Perfect.
Petrozzoli. Zoli?
Pedrazzoli. Pedrazzoli.
Pedrazzoli, Grazzoli.
Perfect.
All right, got it. There
Legend.
you go.
Legend.
Make sure you hit the like and the subscribe, right? And on both of us, for both of us, we really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Yeah, it's all season.
Yeah. Why we're not rich? Expectation versus reality.
I don't get it. I don't feel like this is all season. Do you?
No. I mean, there are a bunch of indicators which we are going to show you guys, and apparently we are about to moon, but
Exactly. I'm not feeling the moon situation.
yeah, which moon? Maybe there's a
Exactly.
maybe there's a planet.
Exactly. The planet before the moon or something that I'm mistaken.
I'm not sure. But apparently, yeah, look, it's 61. That's, I mean, what? I'm not sure. I'm not sure what's happening there, but yeah, apparently we are.
Well, I guess. I mean, if we take a look at dominance, right? I guess. Like, what's the dominance saying? Right? The dominance, on the 2-week chart here, it's having a little bit of trouble trying to break down all the way to 54%. So I'm not feeling that. I guess we really feel it when it's like, if it gets to a higher level here, when it gets to 80, I guess we'll feel it.
Hopefully.
Because I'm not feeling it.
I mean, wait, define feeling it. Because sometimes you can feel something you don't want to feel. You know what I mean? You might want to clinch. I'm feeling it, but I don't want to feel it. I mean, technically, yeah. That's a good, you never know.
Oh, damn.
So I had to go
It
there.
could go higher.
Hopefully not.
I'm the wrong direction.
Exactly.
Oh, damn. Wow.
But this is completely random. I don't know what happened there, but I mean, I know this is based on a bunch of different indicators, but yeah, it sounds off, right?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah. Let's see.
Okay.
All right.
Alrighty.
Kathy, she has something to say.
What does she has to say, Kathy? Let's see. Let's listen to it.
The $100 billion that I mentioned, institutions have to either take up those newly minted Bitcoin, and that's going to happen over years and years, or they'll have to pay up to get holders to sell it. So again, scarcity value will drive or will increase because of the supply-demand imbalance, with institutional investors really having very little involvement yet. And so we think this is just the beginning.
Yeah, duh. Here's the thing, right?
I love it. Duh.
Here's the thing, right? The bonus is that there's always going to be people who, whether they're in my audience or not in my audience, it doesn't really matter, who are just here for they're just tourists. Oh, look, price, number go up, buy. Number go down, sell, right? And so you'll be able to buy Bitcoin off of those people, right? Because there's a lot more of those, oh, number go up, buy. Oh, number go down, sell, right? A lot of them, right? That's your bonus. This is your advantage, right? And so you can't help those people. So don't try. Just know that you're going to hodl, right? Get some Bitcoin, store it for long term, and never sell it. And this way, and you're going to learn how to not only not ever sell it, but how to actually use it to your advantage. If you head over to b4b.davincej15.com, free classes there. Don't have to pay for anything if you don't like to, right? We will be selling other packages, right? Something where actually this package will be actually less than free, and then that we do sell you, right? Right?
We're gonna pay you literally.
Exactly.
You will
Quite
get paid.
Right? And we'll explain why, of course. How's that possible, right? Because nothing's for free, really. Yes, you are going to be paying. You're going to be earning that money back a little bit, right? It's not completely free, but because you have to do work, right? I mean, we want you to study this, right?
Exactly.
We want you to pass. We want you to be an example
And learn, right?
and learn. And so that's why it will be less than free for you if you're willing to do the work.
Exactly.
Right? All right.
Interesting. This is super cool. All right, so this is some bro science there, but we talk about this all the time, right? Because we cannot predict the future, but if you use past data, you can, see where we could potentially go. And as you can see, we have some seasonality in Bitcoin. We talk about this all the time. August and September are not the best season/months for this asset, aka Bitcoin. But you can see that here, judging by what happened in the past, and again, it's only 4 sample data, so excuse me, we cannot predict necessarily what's going to happen, but there is a probability that we might hit a potential top, which could happen sometime Q4. Again, there is probably another move missing if the cycles are going to repeat, and likely it's not going to happen in September, right? So September is a bit of a tricky month.
Let's see what the Kramer
What Kramer says.
indicator
Exactly.
does first before you say that, right?
Exactly.
The Kramer indicator has not fired off yet, right? I mean,
Yeah. I mean, if he comes up tomorrow and he goes, Bitcoin is going to zero, oh boy. That destroys all the charts.
exactly. Oh my God.
That's for sure.
That would be the best thing ever happen to Bitcoin.
Oh boy, yeah. Please, Kramer, say something bullish about it, right?
Bearish.
Yeah, bearish, sorry.
Bearish.
Yeah, bearish so that it's bullish.
So that we can go to the moon, right? Especially if he says zero. If it's going to zero.
Bitcoin has no value. Imagine this. Oof. Boy. But buy gold, Bitcoin is dead. That's it. Long everything. That's the signal.
It'd be like just to sell everything you've got into Bitcoin.
Exactly.
If he said that.
That would be the best. But Quinten also, that's another way to phrase it. You can see August and September are on average negative, even though with CNAM and Plan C, I discussed it on, I think it was Wednesday last week, live on Thursday on my channel, that this September could indeed be different because September is not as bad as August. They are switching, depending on how you measure it, right? If you do 3 years versus 8 versus 10 and etc. So again, we could see further corrections, but overall, October, November, and December should be indeed bullish.
Yeah. Okay.
Now, this is a bit of hopium because you look at this and you said, hey, this is not actually a good thing, right?
Exactly. When do you see a line coming down and then lower and lower and lower to say that's bullish? That's not how it works. I mean, we have charts here. Well, they're missing, but
The path is missing, yeah.
Exactly. But that is actually a bearish pattern. Just so you know, you're coming down into this, and we are.
Yeah, I mean, I guess there is always a chance to, those patterns, they always have a chance to
Exactly,
get
that's
bullish
true.
or bearish, right?
That's
But the question is, what is the highest percentage?
Now, the only thing is, right, this is true, right? If we break above this, this becomes true.
Then it's go time.
Yeah. That's all.
How do you feel about Ethereum though? Because Ethereum is not doing necessarily great. Like these prices we are now, it's the same as 2017-ish.
Yeah, so basically you could say that this price target is approximately from here to 12, let's just say $500 move or 600, 9, let's go to the body candle. So yeah, so $500 down is another $500 from this 230. So you're talking like the 3,800-ish area as a breakdown target. As this thing can say, okay, a break up, our target is 5K. Sure, Sure, yeah, that's true. But it also has an option to break down to 3,800. So there it is.
By the way, shout out to Merlin. It's a really good Twitter account. I follow him a lot. So good charts there. 3 billion short squeeze loading. So there is a 114K is going to liquidate a lot of people. And usually when there is liquidations, market is going to take it, right?
Yep.
So we are not that far away. 111.
Yeah, these people are dumb. Because that's right in the middle of a freaking, what's it called? A gap. What are they smoking?
Yeah. I mean,
Wow.
I don't trade, but I would not short Bitcoin now, to be honest.
Yeah, well, the thing is, right?
It depends on the targets.
Here's the thing, right? Back in the early days, I remember when Bitcoin went up all the way to $1,300, and all the people that I used to listen to, the traders and stuff like that, there were so many people, like from Peter Schiff to all kind, obviously, said, "Oh, I wish I could short Bitcoin when it was at $100, right? And $200 and $300,
Damn.
$400." Right? They were like chomping at the bit, right? To try to short it, right? So it's just the norm for these traders, right?
Yeah, fair enough.
When they see something just go out of control,
They want to short it. Fair enough. Yeah. Damn, people wanting to short Bitcoin at $300 or $1,000. Oof, how did that turn out? I mean, I guess in a short time.
they didn't.
In
They got killed.
Exactly, but
There's
maybe
it never came back.
yeah. It's like when people were calling for $1,000 during COVID, right? Which we never got down to $1,000. Same story. But look at this, 51. Like Bitcoin is comfortably hovering over 110, and the market doesn't care. It's literally neutral. That's super bullish, right?
Exactly. So we are in a good situation, right? Especially since we're going into the time zones when Bitcoin has a positive upswing higher, right? So it is what it is. And you can see September, it's not a rectember just yet.
Yeah.
Right? We could end up having a positive month, right? Thanks to Kramer and the fact that, you know what, Bitcoin is now a what's it called? Institutional asset. So a lot of big players, people who are traders, they have access to it now. And so they can buy in September, which they are buying, right? So they're buying in September and then selling in May, going away. So there it is, right? So
Kind of
this is
following
where
the
we
stock.
yeah, exactly. The stock name, so they're just buying it up like that. So yeah, they just have that process. And so yeah, there it is. They're going to be dollar cost averaging for the month, and so we could end up with a positive September month.
Yeah, that'd be really exciting, to be honest. Yeah.
I'm looking forward to it. Okay, so guys, this is not financial advice for those people who are coming in, right? Obviously, if we tell you to buy something or tell you we're buying something, that doesn't mean you go and buy it, right?
You know, please don't.
If we buy it, doesn't mean you go and buy it, right?
How about no?
How about no? Right? So if we're having fun, right? If you want to buy something, make sure you do it with money that you're gonna lose, right? Because we're just having fun with this, right? That's it. This is not investment advice, right? That's it.
Yeah, 100% not, exactly.
Okay. With that said, you're going to be entertained. We're going to entertain you.
Indeed. And if you have any question, please use the chat box because there's going to be a Q&A segment soon, loading, right?
Exactly. So I'm just logging in here. Hang on.
Okay, yeah, no worries. I did save a few questions already, so
So
thank
what
you
kind
guys.
of questions did you get?
Sorry, I did save a few.
Ooh, Peppa Peep.
Going in deep.
What's going on with Peppa Peep, man?
$176. Okay.
What the hell?
Did we break out some? I mean, it's climbing up slowly. Is that a
With a
bullish pennant?
$26.
Is that a bullish pennant? I know. Hey, we're not gonna sell anyway. We are diamond hands here.
You're going to do chart analysis on
Peppa Peep. Yeah, we are deep, going in deep, right? Yeah.
Look at the volume, dude.
It
went down.
1,046. I mean, compared to last week, it's 10x.
Somebody actually just sold right now. They're like, well, they came on the show and just like,
Sell.
yeah.
Sell everything. Yeah, guys, please don't buy any Peppa Pig, of course. Just don't touch this. You know,
Don't
touch this. That could be the new
Yeah,
song.
but you know what? Here's the thing, right? I mean, we're having fun. Whether you buy it or not, it's up to you. But you know, just be safe out there, right? Whatever you buy, just be safe. Just remember, right? It's just for fun.
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly.
Okay.
It's like going to a casino for fun, right? Retire. Is retire retiring us or?
I don't know, but when did we buy this? Let's see here. The daily.
I mean, look at that. Okay, something happened.
Yeah, exactly.
Did we have a sell order on this?
No. We just went. We went.
Just all out.
We're securing the bloodline. We're retiring the bloodline.
Yeah, of course. This is it's a long time play.
This is a long play to retire the bloodline.
But we must be in profit with this, right?
A little bit. I mean, we were in one of these downward movements here, September 5th. So maybe here somewhere, maybe we are not. Maybe we are. I don't know. It doesn't matter. We just bought and let it go. Let it ride.
Okay,
Let it ride.
sounds like a plan.
Okay. What happened here? This thing.
Oh boy, they don't even have a page anymore.
I think this token got crushed so badly that it was like they removed the pair.
There's not even a pair anymore.
Damn.
This is the first time. It's gone. Completely gone.
Not only, and it's gone, it's like totally disappeared.
Yeah, vanished.
Poof.
Damn. Okay, well, I guess we don't even know which one.
We don't know
it was.
which one that was.
Yeah, exactly.
We're gonna have to watch the tape. Now I'm gonna know
Yeah,
which
and
one.
check the wallet address there.
I mean, we can't figure that out, right? Because we buy a whole bunch of crap.
We just
right?
have a few in there.
Right? Yeah.
2 or 3.
Yeah, exactly. We have a bunch of crap. So, well, damn, that's interesting. Maybe we bought a scam coin and they just removed it. Jesus.
Yeah, possibly.
Oh, my soul got just crushed by Pokey Soul.
Damn, this pumped out of control and then
Exactly, and then
it's gone.
and it's gone.
Yeah, there is some sign of life there, but I
Okay.
guess it depends on how you define life.
Exactly. Well, I mean, they still got 500K in volume, so maybe. I mean, they did improve this image a lot. I remember when it was first here, it was like, what the hell was this? We were like,
What?
huh?
Yeah,
So at least they got some different animations and stuff like that.
yeah,
So they spent a little bit of that money that they.
yeah. And by the way, guys, none of these projects are paying us. Those are not promotion coins. We're just randomly finding them. So no promotions,
We randomly found this.
no recommendations.
Right?
Nothing.
And then we said no to it, right?
Yeah.
And then we felt bad and bought in again.
We got trapped into it. And it's gone. Makes sense.
Yeah, exactly. So,
And actually, this could be education. Like, if you do indeed put money into meme coin, you will lose money. That we are the living proof.
yeah, just watch us do that.
Exactly. You don't have to do it. You just watch us. We show you.
Exactly. And it's fun. Right? All right. And then, you don't have to lose your money. You can watch us lose ours.
Exactly. You're welcome. Oh boy. Okay, what's this one?
I don't know.
Poe something?
I can't read it. They
Poe
screwed up on this.
memes? Poe memes?
Paw memes.
But those are not paws.
Paw.
It's like mushrooms.
Paw leans?
Wow,
What?
Look at those weeks. Wow.
What the hell? Yeah, with 88K market cap. Yeah, wow.
Damn.
Let's go to 5 minute.
Ooh. Totally organic, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
It could go higher.
You go higher.
How about no?
But how about no?
Damn. Okay. This, I think, is a pass.
This guy worked really hard.
Magical
Pump Fun Wizard. Pump Fun is good. Chill.
Is it a Solana?
Look how hard he drew. How he drew this. He works hard.
Yeah, there is a Solana hat. Amazing. This is. Ooh, the price is not magical.
Yeah,
I
exactly.
guess. Doesn't look magic to me, but hey, it could go higher.
Yeah. Let's see what the market cap movements are. No, almost a 200K market cap.
I mean, credit to the creativity. This is.
What do you think? Do you think
I
we're going to
think-
get rugged on this one?
It's possible. It's possible. But you know, I want to get
It's possible. It's inevitable.
it's inevitable. But you know, it's attractive.
Possible.
You know, it's really attractive. The mage thing, you know, the hat, the Solana pill. I mean, I'm sold.
Stupid.
Yeah, this is gonna.
No.
This is not gonna retire the bloodline.
No.
No. Didn't we already have jobless?
I mean, somebody already did some jobless already, and now this is a secondary jobless.
Yeah.
Binance is jobless.
Oh, there's a Binance flag.
Yeah, exactly.
So this is not on Solana then. It's on BNB.
You think so? Oh, yes.
Yeah, it would be weird if there was.
Yeah, exactly. I know.
A
So
BNB.
weird. Yeah, right.
I mean, I'm expecting way more from meme coins anyway because they don't make sense. But what's that? Sol Cat? That one down there? Solana Cat?
We're so
That
bad
one.
there.
Yeah. What is this? Solana Cat.
We missed the double, man. It would have been nice to buy it down there.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Yeah, but see how you can see that if we do a little bit of technical analysis, it's already broken this uptrend, and it's, you know, we might M out here and goodbye.
Yeah.
See
ya.
Yeah, I don't think, you know what? I don't think the trenches has anything for us.
Yeah, that. Particularly, someone said in the chat, you know, they are losing creativities. Yeah, they're running out of ideas, I guess. I mean, come on.
Hold your horses.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Oh, this is the TK horses.
God. Really? No.
Yeah. Not feeling horses. Is that Dude? That one over there? Is it called Dude? They also zapped it.
Dude.
Dude.
Dude. Dude. All right, we're taking it.
Taking the Dude.
We're taking it.
Done.
We're taking it.
So,
We're taking it.
I mean, we gotta buy something. Otherwise, how can we show you guys we lose
Yeah.
money tomorrow?
Exactly.
I mean, there's no point, right?
Exactly. Exactly.
It's part of the game, right? We need to
Dude.
show you what not to do.
Oh man.
Okay, we get
The
some Dude.
slippage on 0.1.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. Well,
Yeah, but it's the Dude, man. Okay, so
all right, you know what? Forget it.
Solana's not working.
I'm
This,
not feeling the dude, man, because this slippage was like, come on. You can't have slippage on a.
I think we need to get the Dude.
No, man, because the slippage is just too high. Like, really?
Yeah.
Why? Why is the slippage so high?
Because, yeah, don't buy. It's a bad dude. There you go. Yeah. Aster, you know it.
Yeah, hasta la vista, baby.
Not much then, yeah.
Yeah.
What is this?
I don't know. It's
that
at
an
5
angel?
million market cap.
It's just, is that an angel?
Some chick going up. Some chick died, I guess. Justice for Irina.
Oh, the lady who got killed on the bus. stabbed the lady from Ukraine.
Oh, really?
Yeah, she got stabbed on the neck on the bus. That's, obviously this is not official, but I think the idea is for the lady there.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
May she rest in peace. She's
Exactly.
not going to rest with my money.
Yeah. The token is not going to heaven, I guess.
No.
Yeah.
Useless.
Oh, I guess he's doing what he says.
Yeah, it's completely useless down here.
I guess goal achieved. Damn. I would love to know. I'll do some research for tomorrow's show and see how many coins have been produced a day versus the top, right? Because at some point it was like, I think it was 20,000 a day.
Well, I think we're going to get some into useless because we're at the bottom. We're bottom the bottom.
The bottom of the useless.
Warning.
Stupid useless coin.
Warning. Okay, good.
Warnings are good.
Yes. So we sell half of useless if we double?
Yeah, that would be a good idea. That would then make the coin not useless. right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay, why are we not finding it? Okay, there we go.
Exactly.
Let's
Guys,
go,
if you have any
Max.
question, by the way, let us know in the chat because there's going to be a Q&A segment. Okay. This is a good one.
Alrighty.
Where is scan the chat?
So let's see here. I'm just gonna sell 1, 8, 7, 5, 4. There we go. We'll sell some useless, all of the useless, if it doubles, right?
Okay.
Let's see. Did we get any doubles here? Pop was our last one.
Yeah, pop was the last one who popped. Yeah.
The pop. We have a lot of useless coins here. That look at these pages and pages of sell orders.
Wow. Wow.
We have a sell order on Batty.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Some, of course, they won't get filled.
No.
I would never know.
Oh boy.
All right, we've got a bunch of good questions. Let's start with this. What is your advice for exit altcoin season? It's a good question, but I guess it's generic, right?
Exactly. I know. It all depends, right, on how you have to have a plan already in place, right, for your altcoin season. So, for example, the little lady strategy is one plan, right? Another plan would be, okay, listen, I'm just going to sell everything at a specific price. Is another plan, probably not the best plan, right? Because you don't know if it's going to hit that price. So you have to start the best strategy is to start selling when you see this hits over 80. Then you start dollar cost averaging out.
Exactly. And selling could be a different thing. You could buy Bitcoin instead. You could get USDT. You could get. It's so different because altcoins they will get crashed versus Bitcoin,
Exactly.
right? So I guess like Da Vinci's saying, have a plan, have some price targets, and if you don't need the money
Not
short
price
term,
targets, but price targets are just like, unless you have like a little lady strategy which has a price target, right? It has to be in the strategy that the target, not something. Well, I think that's going to be.
oh yeah, no, of course. I mean, maybe like a DCA out or something. But and then think about, do I need money short term? Can I buy Bitcoin? It's tricky. Depends. Okay, is 95, 98 on the line before crashing 130? It's possible, right? Bitcoin could go down to the 90s and then pump. Yeah, I wouldn't bet my farm, but it's possible. Now it says, hey, do you think the 4-year cycle is over? And is an altcoin season coming soon? The 4-year cycle is over. I talk about it a lot on my podcast. I don't know how you feel about it, but clearly those institutions entering the game could have changed the game itself, right?
Yeah, exactly. They could modify that 4-year cycle, right? Especially since $1 billion doesn't move the price, right? So, and if that's the case, right, most of us, right, let's just take a look. The average person, right, can put in, move the price by over a year, $4 billion, and if somebody's pushing them, right? And how do you know that? Well, Take a look at OneCoin. Took them 1 year to get $4 billion to rob people. $4
Yeah,
million.
exactly. It's a long con, right?
So if they can do it, right? Right, then you know that's basically what can go into the price, right? And since you know we saw somebody sell 8 billion and nothing happened, right?
Let that sink for a minute. Yeah. Delta Nox is asking USDC or USDT. Oh, that's a good one. I don't like USDC. Honestly, I wouldn't touch Coinbase ever. But no financial advice. That's my personal preference. Tether, I have sympathy, but still, you know.
Yeah, exactly. USDT or USDC is fine.
Yeah, it's the same. It doesn't change much. You know. But yeah, that's thank you. Good question. Let's see. Should I believe ChatGPT? Like if I get prompt, tell me what BTC, Solana, Signal. Oh, I wouldn't trust ChatGPT entirely, right?
No.
I wouldn't trust anyone entirely.
They make mistakes all the time.
Exactly.
And besides, anything that they can give you is the same kind of thing that anyone whose trades can give you. It's basically a balance of probabilities, and that's it.
Yeah.
The issue is you need to understand that the concept of that. That means there's a probability of loss and a probability of gain. And then you have to learn how to actually use it in a proper way, those signals. Like, for example, you have to go, okay, where's my stop loss, where's my target, all that kind of stuff. You need to know all of those things. So if it gives you a signal, you can't just buy and just, I'll just hold it forever and ever. No. Those signals have to have a stop loss and a take profit points. And if you didn't ask for that, it won't give it to you.
Exactly. Our friend Precise Audio Blog is asking, how much is the course? It's a good question.
You're going to have to sign up for the free one, right? And then make sure you show up on the event that we're going to have on the 15th at 5:00.
Next Monday, right?
Right? That's next week, Monday. And so, yeah, you'll find out.
Exactly. Nice. Last one. Massimo, do you think this time is more likely 2017? Because if so, excuse me, that will mean we'll see a massive parabolic run towards the end of the year. That's what the data, looking back to the previous cycle, is suggesting me, at least when I look into the data. So yeah, I think it's possible. But I guess time will tell, right? Maybe this time is different. Maybe the same thing is going to happen. Difficult. What I believe, though, there's going to be, no matter what happens, soft run, big run, some people are going to take profit because they are going to expect a crash. So then the question is, if the market likes to punish most participants, the market knows the majority takes profit, what will happen is probably a drop. I don't know, I guess.
Yeah, I think so. I think I'd have to agree with that.
Nice. Thank you, guys.
Alrighty.
You want to take another one? We have a lot.
Yeah,
by
one
the way.
more, and then we'll call it a day.
Do you think Solana could reach $600 or $890 before the end of the bull run? That's a good question.
Those are high numbers for Solana at this point because of the fail all the way back down to $100, right? So that failure, right, after getting to its all-time high was a negative event, which makes it very, very difficult for it to even break its all-time high. And even when it does, it can only go so much, maybe 450, 500, right? Unless something magical happens with Solana.
It's funny, if you would have asked me this question, like,
I know.
In a different time, I would have said,
Yeah, same
600, I'm 1,000.
Exactly.
Right? So it's interesting how sentiment has changed there.
Exactly. Because it broke down too much, right? Just way too much for it to recover. Because all this recovery, right, could have went into the buying up, right, all the way up to $1,000.
Exactly.
Because all that pressure is gone. Okay?
Yeah, I agree. And interesting. Thank you for the good vibe. I agree. By the way, I remember when you said, I think we did a show, and you were saying Solana is gonna go. We saw a massive drop because of FTX, and they hold a lot of Solana. And I was like, oh man, do you think it's gonna go to $100? Oh man, and it
and I
did,
told you,
right?
yes.
Yeah, he was like, yeah, dude, it's going. I was like, oh,
I said it was going to go to $20 when it was at $200.
exactly. And then you said you're gonna pump back.
Right, yes.
And I was like, wow, damn, really? I couldn't. So Solana's been behaving. I mean, you predicted it. To me, it was completely unexpected. And now we are chilling at $200. I don't know. Could it go to 400? Yeah, possibly. But $1,000, I don't see that coming.
All right, guys. Thank you all for watching. Appreciate you. Sorry for being a little bit late, but better late than never. And we'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Cheers.